MCP, a way to connect large language models with external tools.
You son of a bitch.
With it, reading files, executing functions, or API calls becomes way more structured for an LLM. Whether you're using Claude, Windsurf, or these, you'll notice that they have the ability to use additional tools. Most definitely using MCP. The MCP is divided into three parts. A host, which refers to the interface or applications we're using, MCP servers, and clients. Just like a twisted group of teenagers, in this ecosystem, a host can have multiple clients. Each client can have multiple servers, but the servers in the servers, we access databases, call APIs, or generate local files. The reason we use it today is to avoid NXM problem. Before MCP, developers needed to build custom connections for each tool, which makes things more complicated than they should be. That's why MCP acts like a USB-C. With MCP, you are the man.
You are.
I like to think of it like the separation of concern principle. The MCP is handling all the tools, so LLMs can mind their own business. Since we can access our database and can talk to AI with plain language, then it's possible to achieve plain language queries. For example, give me ass and take the response. I have no idea how would that perform in production, but it's something to play with. If you want to see a full video on creating MCP servers and clients, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching and have a good day.